share with you all a Navratri makeup look. It's actually a Gujarati kind of inspired makeup look. So if you want to know how to get this look, make sure you keep on watching this video till end. And this look is going to be really simple and easy. So anyone without any makeup skill can also recreate this look without any hassle. So keep on watching this video and let's begin with this tutorial. Before I apply any kind of makeup, I'm going to first prep my skin, and for that first step I'm going to moisturize my face, and then after that I'm going to prime. So for today's video I'm going to use this light moisturizer from Pond's. The reason behind using this moisturizer, as it says, it's non-oily fresh feed moisturizer, and as my skin is oily type of skin, so it gets oily very soon when I apply a moisturizer. And this moisturizer actually which prevents, it actually not prevents oil, but it avoids my skin to get oily when I apply it. So now I'm gently just massaging this moisturizer on my skin and my neck area. So for primer, I'm going to use this Prep Me Up primer from Nykaa, and the reason behind using the primer is it will help to blur out my visible pores and any fine lines that are on my skin, and also it will help my skin to protect from the makeup. So before applying any foundation or concealer, first I'm going to do my brows, and for that today I'm going to use this the nudes palette from Maybelline, and I'm going to use this shade from it. So to clean up the extra eyeshadow from my brows and make my eyebrows more defined, I'm going to use this concealer from Wet n Wild in shade Medium Deep Tan. And I'm just going to apply it. I'm just going to outline my brows with it. Very lightly, I'm going to apply it below my brow, like on my brow bone and over here. Just like so. And now I'm going to blend it with help of my fingers. Done with eyebrows, so now let's move on to foundation. And for foundation I'm going to use this Fit Me foundation from Maybelline in shade 330, and I'm also going to use the same concealer which I used before. So first I'm going to apply this foundation on my face and neck area. Now I'm going to blend this foundation with help of this flat top foundation brush. Now I'm applying this concealer under my eyes and area near my mouth. And that's it. Again, I'm going to use that same brush to blend this concealer. And also a little bit of concealer over my eyelids. To set my base makeup, I'm going to use this powder from Blue Heaven, and it's in shade Natural Faux. I'll apply it all over my neck area and also my face. So I'm going to use the same powder sponge which comes with it. I'm going to tap this powder all over my skin. So now moving on to eye makeup, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild eyeshadow Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to select this shade and apply it on my crease area. So in today's look, I'm going to keep this eye makeup really simple and which will be easy to recreate. So applying this eyeshadow on crease and more on the outer V of my eyes, and then just blending it. And for this I'm using a blending brush, a fluffy blending brush, and we are done. So now I'm selecting this shimmer golden shade from the blowout palette from Beauty People. So full review on this palette I have been uploaded before. It will be mentioned somewhere in the I button, so you can check that video. I have provided full review on this brand and this palette and many more products from this brand, so make sure you check that out. So now I'm taking this color with help of my finger and I'm just applying it all over my lids where I have not applied the previous shade. And I must say guys, this eyeshadow palette is really pigmented and it looks beautiful. Can you see guys? As is a festive look, I want to make it more glittery, glossy type. So for that I'm going to add this golden glitter, and this glitter is from Swiss Beauty. I'm just taking it on my fingertip and applying on my previous golden shade. And just dab it in and dabbing it on my eyelids. I'm just taking really less quantity of this glitter because I don't want it to be too much glittery. But yes, I want the glitter in it. And that's it. So now I'm applying this liner from Lakme. It's an Insta liner. And whatever product that I'm using in this video, I'll mention it in the description box, so do check it out. I'm not going to create any wing eyeliner look, just a normal eyeliner look. And we are done. Now I'm going to use this kajal from Sugar Cosmetics. It's in shade 01 Blackout, and I think so this look is totally incomplete without applying kajal. I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line and also on my waterline. Sorry. Also, I'm going to smudge this kajal on my raw lash line. So I'll finish off my eye makeup by applying this mascara, and this mascara is again from the brand Beauty People, Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara. Again, the review of this is given, so do check it out, that video in the I button. And I'm applying this mascara on my upper lashes and also on my lower lashes. And finally we are completed with the eye look. So now let's complete the remaining face makeup, that is adding blush and highlighter, and after that we'll apply lipstick and we are done with this tutorial. So the blush I'm going to use from Sugar Cosmetics, and it's in shade 01 Peach Peak. So the highlighter that I'm going to use today is again from Sugar Cosmetics in shade 01 Champagne Shampoo. I'm going to highlight just a little bit, not a heavy highlighting effect. Little on my nose area, over my lips, and that's it. Okay, so for today's lipstick, I'm going to use this lipstick from Beauty People, and this is a HD matte crayon lipstick, and its shade is 106. It's a red color. It's a beautiful red color. It's a matte lipstick. Just going to apply it. First I'm outlining my lips with it, and then I'm going to fill it with this lipstick. And yes, we are done with this makeup look. Just a tiny details are remaining, and that I'm doing now. This is the final look. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. If you like this video, make sure give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification of my every new video. So see you next time in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.